Welcome to this Excel automation tutorial. Many Excel users perform multiple steps to complete a report, such as formatting tables, calculating totals, and creating charts. Instead of doing these steps one by one, we can automate everything using a single macro. In this video, you'll learn how to record one macro that formats the report, calculates total sales, and inserts a chart automatically. Let's begin. First, enable the Developer tab, go to File, Options, and select Customize ribbon, check Developer and click OK. The Developer tab is now visible. Now enter the following data, create these columns: date, product, quantity, price, and total. Enter the laptop sales data and leave the total column empty. We will automate everything else using one macro. Now, we'll record one master macro that does everything. Go to the Developer tab and click Record Macro. Name the macro Auto Sales Report and store it in this workbook. First, format the header row. Make the text bold. Apply a light blue fill color. Add borders to all header cells. Center align the text. Next, calculate total sales. Click the first cell in the total column. Enter the formula equals quantity multiplied by price. Press Enter and drag the formula down for all rows. Format the total column as currency. Now insert the sales chart. Select the product and total columns. Go to the Insert tab and choose a clustered column chart. Resize the chart and move it beside the table for a clean layout. When all steps are complete, click Stop Recording. Let's run the macro in Jan sales report, then you will see automatically the report. Go to Developer and click Macros. Select Auto Sales Report and click Run. In one click, Excel formats the table, calculates total sales, and creates a chart automatically. This is the power of Excel automation. To keep your macro, save the file correctly. Go to File, Save As, and select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Make sure the file extension is .zilsum. Here are a few best practices. Only enable macros from trusted sources. Use clear macro names. Record macros carefully to avoid mistakes. Use one macro for complete workflows whenever possible. You've now learned how to automate Excel using a single macro. With one click, your entire sales report is ready. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more Excel automation tutorials.